Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. How is your day thus far? Are you having a great one? I hope so. It's currently really nice weather. I can see blue skies. Spring is coming, and with spring also comes Mother's Day, and I'm going to be unboxing for you today the Look Fantastic Mother's Day collection. And look at this beautiful box. I love the whole leopard print theme they've got going on. It's multicolored. It's just really pretty, isn't it? Can't wait to see what's in here. I do know that the contents inside here are worth a whopping £216, and it's live now and on sale for £59. But if you are a Beauty Box subscriber, you do get a £10 off discount, and I shall pop that code for you to claim that £10 off on the screen and down below for you. If you're not a Beauty Box subscriber but you would like to subscribe to the Beauty Boxes every month, all you need to do is just add the Mother's Day Beauty Box into your basket along with a Beauty Box 3, 6 or 12 month subscription code, and again I will pop the code for you on the screen and down below so that you can claim your discount. This is live now, guys, and Look Fantastic, they do not disappoint with their Mother's Day collections. They sell out immediately every year, so get one now to avoid disappointment. But before you do that, let me show you what's in this baby. Let's crack this open and have a look. Okay, so we've got a little card here and it says your day to shine. And this gives all the information on the contents of the box. So number one, here we have the Cordially Firming Cash Cream, and this is 50 mils. Let me just take it out of its pretty box. And it says formulated with 97% natural ingredients to envelop, I love that word, envelop your senses. This Cordially face cream effectively boosts your skin's collagen for a smoother, firmer and younger looking complexion. Basil, lemongrass, chamomile, thyme and orange blossom combine to lightly fragrance this moisturizer, which is as soft as cashmere on the skin. Those ingredients sound lush. I'm going to open this and quickly give it a whiff. I'm not going to swatch it because I do want to give this to my mum for Mother's Day, but I do want to have a smell and see what it smells like. I'm sure she won't mind that. Oh, no, it does smell nice. Reminds me of a spa. It's got that sort of spa smell, but it's nice. You could definitely tell that it's a nice aromatic cream, and I'm sure it feels amazing on the skin. Cordially is a great brand. Let's see what else we have in here. The next, number 2, is a Rituals body scrub. Rituals is definitely a treat, and look how big this is. This is 300 grams. It's another full-size product, and it says buff away dry and dead skin with this body scrub, combining sugar and softening oils to exfoliate and nourish all in one. Rice milk nurtures whilst cherry blossom provides a beautiful scent, working together to give you the silky soft skin you've always wanted. Rituals are known for their body scrubs. Their body scrubs, you put that on your skin and yeah, you literally feel like you are in a luxurious spa. They are such a treat to the body. Again, I'm going to give this a little whiff. Oh, it's covered. I can't really smell it, to be honest. And I don't want to open this because I do intend to give this to my mother for Mother's Day potentially. Oh, that's unfortunate. But rice milk and cherry blossom, I can imagine that smells quite nice. And I do have a couple of Rituals products and I've never had any complaints. Always been pleased with their products. So full size 2, happy that's in there. Next is the Sarah Chapman Lash Boosting Eye Cleanse. Let me see where that is. Oh, here we go. It's a nice brown box. Let's get this open. And this is 70 ml, and it says effortlessly remove stubborn eye makeup and revitalize tired eyes with this cleanser, which doubles as an innovative treatment to enhance the condition of thickness of lashes and brows. Aloe vera and arnica soothe the delicate eye area, whilst anti-aging Beautify Complex reduces the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. This is something different. I've never tried anything like this. An eye makeup remover that also treats your lashes and brows. I've never seen anything like that before, but that sounds good. Love the fact that it's got arnica in there as well, because arnica is a very holistic ingredient. Yeah, and it even says something about high performance actives. I'm seeing rose water. No, that sounds like such a treat. I feel to keep this myself, but I'm not. I'm gonna put it back in the box, I promise. But yeah, that sounds pretty good. Let's see what else we've got in here. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face, and we've got the shade Crystal Clear. I've heard a lot of hype about this primer. This primer has such a good reputation. Let's see what it says. This lightweight face and body illuminator. Oh, beg your pardon. It's not a primer, it's an illuminator. Formulated with passion fruit and marula oils, promotes radiance whilst also bringing an on-trend glass finish to the skin. Suitable for use both on the face and the body, this gel formulated highlighter can be used directly on the skin for targeted highlighting, or mixing it with your favorite moisturizer slash primer slash base product for an all over glow. Okay, so beg your pardon, I thought it was a primer, but it seems to be an illuminator. So what I'd probably do is I'd take this and, yep, mix it in with my, not my primer, but I mix it with my foundation and smear it on. Glass Glow Face, I've heard such good things, even just by that name, Glass Glow. It just makes me think of, you know, the Korean skincare routine where you just get that glass glow finish? That's what I'm envisioning, and from what I've heard, this is pretty accurate in that sense. I know my mama gonna love this. Let's see what else we have. I just love the fact that everything's been full size so far, like not one sample. That's so good. The next we have Laura Mercier. I love Laura Mercier, and this is a Rogue Essential lipstick, and it's in Rose Ultime. So I guess that's kind of like a pink, a red. I'm presuming this is a red. Oh, it's got a security tag, but to be honest, I'm sure my mum won't mind. As long as I don't swatch it, I'll just open it up so we can see the colour, because I'm curious to know if it's a pink or a red. Okay. Yep, that's a beautiful bright red. I won't be swatching it, but that is the colour there. And that looks quite nice. And it looks like it's kind of like a luster cream as well. It doesn't look like a matte lipstick. And it says, perfect your palette with this bold, creamy lipstick. I had a feeling it was creamy. Perfect for on-the-go glam. Enriched with Mediterranean sea algae to give your lips a burst of moisture, keeping them super soft all throughout the day. This lipstick brings intense colour in just one swipe and is formulated to last for up to 6 hours without bleeding or fading. I love the fact that it's a mini lipstick as well, just because with full-size lipsticks, you know, lipsticks have an expiry date, and I don't often tend to get to the end of a lipstick. So this is just a perfect size for me, and I'm sure my mum will feel the same. And it's promising some good results. One swipe and lasts up to 6 hours. Laura Mercier is really, really good, so I thoroughly believe that. Let's see what else we got. Next, we have an, I always struggle with this brand, Omorovsika. Hope I said that right. I do like Omorovsika. That is quite a premium brand. Their products are expensive, so the fact that this is in here, this is probably worth quite a few bob, to be honest, because I know that this brand, their products are not cheap. And this is the Queen of Hungary Mist, and this is 50 ml, and it's a limited edition bottle specially for this collection. Whoa, yes, look fantastic. It says, give your skin the royal treatment with this facial mist to leave you feeling refreshed, energized and restored. Orange blossom, rouge and sage waters work together to purify your skin, whilst apple pectin encourages hydration. That sounds lovely. You know, when you just want a boost, just spray it on, and the aromas, the mist. No, that sounds lovely. And I'm really impressed for the fact this is a limited edition bottle just for this collection. The bottle's pretty. I love that. It's definitely very, very feminine. It's got all the like spring feels, the flowers, the pinks, like that, like that. Let's see what else we got. So So next we have a Christopher Robin cleansing volume paste, and this is 250 ml, and it says a deep cleansing shampoo hair-like treatment with fantastic volume boosting benefits. With a paste texture that transforms into a lightweight foam upon application, it works to remove dirt, oil and impurities from the hair and scalp, as well as enhancing strength and thickening of the hair follicles. I want to keep this. I might have to tell my mama, be like, Mom, I know I gave you this as a gift, but would you mind, can you share the Christopher Robin? Because this sounds brilliant. I have such fine hair and I'm always looking for products to help boost volume. So whenever I see a hair product that says volume boosting, I'm reaching for that. So I might not even tell her that this is in here. I might just take it and keep it for myself. I'm naughty. No, she's probably gonna watch this video. Mama, I promise I'm gonna send you the Christopher Robin. But this sounds so good. And it even says lifted roots and fuller lengths on the top. No, this sounds brilliant. This sounds good, good, good. I think we've got one more treat left. Let's see what our last product is. And this is an Origins Mega Mushroom Treatment Lotion, and it's 100 ml. Let me just open this. Nice green bottle, and it says this refreshing solution is enriched with superfoods such as reishi, sea buckthorn and fermented chaga to visibly reduce redness of the skin and bring some resilience back to a sensitive complexion. Used on freshly cleansed skin to leave it feeling calm and comfortable, as well as improve moisture levels by 71%. I love the fact that it's so precise. 71%. That's how you know this product has been tried and tested to get that exact figure. See if it smells nice. I don't mean to sound annoying. I know I've said this for every product, but it literally smells like a spa. When I went to a spa just before lockdown, this was the exact smell. I promise you. I would honestly think that that was the product that they used to spray in their spa when you walk in, because this is the exact smell. It smells lovely. And soothing treatment lotion, the smell matches the name, so I can imagine that to be very, very, very nice. And that's it. That's our 8 products. Really, really pleased. My favourite product, as you've probably guessed, is the Christopher Robin. This is promising some deliciousness for the hair, and I can't wait to steal this from my mama and use it for myself. No, some really, really good treats here. This is guaranteed to be a sellout box, guys. As I said earlier, this product has sold out almost immediately for the last 2 years. It's live now, so make sure you order it ASAP to avoid disappointment. I will pop the link down below for you to place your order. Do not forget to use your discount codes. Really good, luxurious brands in here. I'm telling you, how can you be disappointed with this? This was such a good box, and thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending me out one of these. I know me and my mama gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please smash that like button. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.